Engagement party. So we know why we're here, right? I have a neighbor coming in too. His neighbor doesn't know anything about it. I was going to tell him what it is, but he hasn't shown up yet. So, but all of you know, so that's good. So that's what we're celebrating for. Let me set the agenda for you this afternoon. First, we're going to use this opportunity to tell you who we are around here, so that you know when you bump into them, you say hello, it's Joe, and so on and so forth. Okay. And then we're going to get lined up and get your food, eat and drink and be merry and so on. And then finally we're going to toast the bride and groom. And let me just say this, you see all these arrangements here, and it looks like a wedding receptions and so on and so forth. And that was intended to be that way by our own wedding planner, my own sister, Milen.
Thank you very much.
Normally, I would introduce the bride family first, Anna Marie, but since I'm the host here, so I'm gonna be a good host and I'm gonna introduce the family of Callan first. All right. Well, here we have Callan's dad, Len Campbell. Len, you show everybody who you are. There you go. There you go. Janine Campbell Jones is Callan's mom. Callan's mom, wave everybody so everybody know you. And I understand one of Callan's sisters is still stuck in the highway, but the other one is here, Shauna and Sabrina, Callan's sisters. And I guess that's Shauna. Chris is supposed to be here, but oh, here he is. Chris is Callan's brother. And last but not least is Alicia. Alicia is the youngest sister. We normally, keep up the youngest sister. So. Callan's grandma is also here, and she flew here from Montreal just to attend this. Simone Vanderbach. If you wonder where that name is coming from, I just learned from Callan. It's from Belgium. Yes. But she lives in Montreal. And the uncle and aunt of Callan is not here, so we'll introduce him later, I guess. And also, they're stuck on the highway. And last but not least, and he's looking at me, it's Callan's close family, friend. That's Richard. He's looking around. Richard Holman. Now my side of the family. Since my family is really big, we got 11 brothers and sisters, so I have to limit it only to Anne-Marie's uncles and aunt, and I can't do all the cousins. Sorry about that, cousin. Obviously, I'm the father of the bride-to-be, and this is my self-proclaimed boss, Anne. Hi. My sister Millie and her husband Doug. Millie, there she is. My brother-in-law is absent, and his wife is supposed to be here, but they got stuck on the highway, and his son is here. Also, my brother too got stuck on the highway as well. They came all the way up here from St. Louis with his wife, and he's stuck on the highway. My brother Lan and his better half, Owen and I mean. Yeah, I hope I don't get into trouble for that. Right, Mike? I'm not in trouble for that. My brother Lee and his kids are here. And my brother Hung and his wife On. Hey. Hey, he's taking a movie. I asked him to take a movie so we can watch it later on. And my brother Han is absent. He is currently in Vietnam for family matter. My sister Mian and her husband, hi. And my sister Mian, there she is. my sister Millen and her husband Tino. Millen. That's our wedding planner. And my little brother Chin and his wife On. Yeah, there you go. Anna Marie has 3 other siblings, and one of them are in Spain, and the other 2 are here. Her brother Key. There he is. And sister Queen Anne. Queen Anne is here? Queen Anne's there, yeah. Carolina, like I said, she's in Spain. She sent her regards. And that's our family. So now we can start eating. It's a self-serve buffet with a lot of Canadian foods, roast beef and roast pork and so on. I call that Canadian food and Vietnamese food. So bon appetit. We'll see you in an hour. Okay?
You guys first.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's what I
Oh well.
No, grab a bite. Okay. Thank you. If it rains, I'll let you. I'll pick up the phone and say something soon. No, it'll vibrate or ring.
Em ạ, mà chị mấy Hậu cũng vậy, mà chắc đi kẹt xe, bao nhiêu người kẹt xe, nhưng
Don Valley Parkway closed.
không dùng cái nậu nó lại đây đâu có bị đi cái Don Valley Parkway.
Vibrating.
Whatever.